Don't throw away the empty tea box. Keep it at home. I didn't expect it to have such a great effect. Hello, everybody. I am Longer. Let me share with you today the small magic use of empty tea box and long tail clip together. It's available in every household, super money-saving and effective. Let's take a look together. Iron tea box like this. I'm sure there are many in every household. Every time it is used up, it is a pity to throw it away because the quality of this iron tea box is particularly good. The appearance also looks very beautiful. No matter where you put it, it doesn't take up space or be an eyesore. So what? It would be a pity to throw it away. Therefore, most friends drink tea every time. This iron box will choose to use it. Some whole grains at home or something else to put in your house. It is also very good as a sewing box. But you know what? In fact, we keep this iron box at home. There are so many magical uses. For example, the function I shared with you today. Put 2 swallowtail clips on top of the tin box. It's this long tail clip. Super useful. Can solve the big problems of every household. Probably most of my friends will find it incredible because in everyone's eyes, long tail clips like this, it's mainly office supplies. It is usually used to clip some files or school-going children at home. What test papers are used to add, etc. In addition to that, can't think of any other use for it. And our empty tea box, except for what I just told you. In addition to some storage, there seems to be no other superfluous use. So most of my friends are racking their brains. I don't know how to clip 2 tails in this empty iron. Clipped on top of this empty tea box. What are the uses worth learning from? After watching today's video sharing, you'll think if only you had known. Before saying this use, let me tell you about this mosquito coil I have on my hand. And you're all familiar with that. Mosquito coils can be used in every household, especially now that the weather is getting hotter every day. There are also a lot of mosquitoes in the house. We all use mosquito coils at this point. Mosquito coil has a great use for repelling mosquitoes. We need to light the mosquito coil before using it. After lighting, you're going to put it on the mosquito coil holder. Trust basically all our friends. It's all used like this. After putting the mosquito coil away, then this mosquito coil bracket, just put it under the mosquito coil like this. At this point, the mosquito coil will burn. When our mosquito coil is completely burned, what will you find when you wake up in the morning? On this desktop, or where we put mosquito coils, it's all mosquito coil ash. It looks very ugly. It's also very difficult to clean, especially when the weather is hot. Many friends also like to be at home. Turn on the electric fan to blow. When the electric fan blows over, this mosquito coil flies all over the house. Very annoying. Actually, can prepare one. This empty tea box at home. After opening this mosquito coil holder, like the shape just now, and then bend it like this later. Bend from the center of the mosquito coil base. Bend well like this. After bending, we fix it on the tea box. After fixing, at this point, you can put the mosquito coil. Fix it to this support frame. Now let's get some more mosquito coils. After the mosquito coil is lit during combustion, mosquito coil ash produced, it will fall directly into the tea box. And this tea iron box, it's very deep. Then not inside the housekeeper. In the bedroom. How big is the fan on? How strong is the wind? Don't worry anymore. Mosquito coil ash will blow everywhere. Safe and hassle-free. And here's the thing. Every day after waking up, no more worrying about cleaning up mosquito coil ashes. It's like a box every time. We can put it in there for a few months. Even a summer mosquito coil ashes. The second method. It's on either side of the iron box. Add a long tail clip respectively. After the long tail clip is clipped like this, prepare a wire for the house. If there is no wire, you can also use other objects instead. For example, chopsticks and wooden sticks are okay. Before putting on the chopsticks, we have to put mosquito coil on it first. At this time, if the mosquito coil base at home cannot be found, we can use this method. Put mosquito coils on it, and it burns. At this time, mosquito coils can still reach. Burned mosquito coil will fall directly into the iron box. And it's very beautiful and generous. Don't worry, our mosquito coils are burning. There is a sudden drop. If you're using wire, then we can also give it a shape. Bend the wire down a bit. After bending a little, then mosquito coil. It will be in a position directly below the iron box. At this moment, it will look more beautiful. In addition to that, our swallowtail clip has another purpose. We fasten these to swallowtail clips together. Like this. The swallowtail clip is clipped on this swallowtail clip. It has a support. What good is that going to do? We are usually in the process of burning mosquito coils. Many times you will find, in the process of breaking mosquito coils, we broke some mosquito coils. And this broken mosquito coil, most of my friends just threw it away because it has no support. Can't burn. That would be too wasteful. A lot of money was wasted after a whole summer. With this swallowtail clip, mosquito coils that burn endlessly every time, you can directly pierce into this hole. Then light it up and it can burn. It's not wasteful. It doesn't matter if you put it like this, still pulling it like this. It's all very good. How do you think it is more convenient to put it away? Just put it however you want. It's especially easy to use, except for this purpose. Like the curtain hooks in the house, you can also... Let's hang this curtain directly on the dog. Fix it to the iron box. After fixing it, the mosquito coil can be hung on it. It is also very beautiful to hang like this. Now it can still burn normally if you light it up. How about today? Mainly share our long tail clip with you, clipped on top of our empty tea box. Of a magical use. It can be said that every household can use it. After this operation, what? We don't have to worry anymore. Mosquito coil ash in the house is flying everywhere or all over the place, and it bothers us very much. So what? If you have the same worries, try this method I shared with you today. Whether it's ours, it doesn't matter if you use a long tail clip. Curtain hooks can achieve the same goal. All you need is an empty tea box. Then there are no empty tea boxes in the house. We could also use some empty tin cans, as long as it's iron, like plastic. What does it look like plastic? Or a carton? But don't use it, because after our mosquito coil is lit, it will burn. Once we fall asleep at night, accidentally set a plastic box or carton on fire, then there will be a great security risk. Of course, if you have any other better way, you can share it in the comment area below. Share it. Let more friends know. Let more people benefit. Then our video sharing for this issue is here. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. See you tomorrow. Bye.